is Olga Larnaudie. I live in French Alpes and I'm a natural cosmetic formulator. Here on my channel I want to share with you my experience, my ideas, and to help you to make your beauty routine a little bit greener and safer for you and for our planet. These days we are lucky because we have a lot of beautiful stores and websites that sells a lot of natural cosmetic ingredients, beautiful extracts, beautiful essential oils, hydrosols. We have an access to professional natural cosmetic ingredients. But to be honest, I still like to do it old school way, and I still like to do my own cosmetic ingredients. And in this video I want to show you how you can make your own facial mist from herbs that you can harvest in your own garden. Today I'm going to use lemon balm, or second name of this plant is Melissa. It's a beautiful plant, I have it in my garden, and actually it has a lot of cosmetic benefits for our skin. It has soothing properties, it's very refreshing, and the hydrosol of Melissa, of lemon balm, has very subtle, fresh aroma, which actually very nice when you use it. Normally, to make my hydrosols, I would use a distillator. If you have a lot of plants, you have a garden, and you are interested in making your own cosmetics and cosmetic products, I would advise you to invest in buying one, because actually the outcome of the hydrosol and the quality of the hydrosol is much higher than when you use a casserole. But today we are going to make it with casseroles, because I want to show you how you can make your own hydrosol without any special equipment. What are you gonna need? You're gonna need a big casserole, and then you're gonna need something which will help you to separate herbs from water. When we are making the hydrosols from herbs, it is better not to mix herbs and water. Here on YouTube you're gonna see a lot of videos where girls just put herbs in water and then evaporate it and make their hydrosols. This is not the best way. When you separate your herbs and water, water evaporates, the steam goes through your plant material, it actually extracts aromatic molecules, then it condensates and transforms into hydrosol. And when you do it this way, the aroma of your hydrosol is more pronounced and it contains more active molecules, so it's actually better for your skin. We are going to harvest our beautiful plants. This is my Melissa, and it's better to harvest it in the morning, like from at 9-10 o'clock in the morning, because in the morning the concentration of aromatic molecules is higher than during the day. Then you have to wash it, let it dry a little bit, and then you have to chop it. When we chop it, we actually help the aromatic molecules to go out easier. And then you have to recreate the distillator with your casserole. First you put water on, then you put your herbs, and then you have to put some cup. It has to be clean and sterilized cup in the middle of your herbs, and then you have to cover it with pot lid this way. The water will boil and evaporate, then the steam will go up and go through your plant material, then it will continue to go up and condensate on your pot lid, and then the drops will go down and end up in your cup, and in this cup you're gonna have your hydrosol. When you have assembled this construction, take some aluminum foil and put it around your pot lid. That will slow down the loss on the steam. You're almost ready to go. One small thing which is left, you need to put some ice on the top of your lid. That will accelerate the condensation process and the outcome of your hydrosol will be higher. Now just put your pot on fire, like slow to medium, and keep an eye on it. The water should not boil actively. You need to simmer it. Don't forget to change your ice as soon as it melted. When almost all the water went through a plant material and you have your hydrosol in your cup, then you can remove it from fire, cool it down to room temperature, and put your hydrosol to clean and sterilized bottle and keep it in your fridge. Lemon balm hydrosol, it is a very nice product, and you can use it as a natural face toner as it is. You don't need to add anything to it, or you can put it in a spray bottle and use it as a mist, facial mist, because it's very refreshing, very nice. For example, when it's hot, you take it from the fridge and you put it all over your face. It's very pleasant, very nice. Or you can go further and you can make a facial retail grade toner for your skin. You will also find the recipe of this toner and all the useful links in the text box below this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you found this video useful, and see you next time.